What's up, Pyros? You can see the great white hope boxer. Here he goes, ready? Here he comes. What are you doing, Harley? You have fun in the snow? You can see we had quite a bit of a snowstorm. I think I would have to say, as you saw before, there really was nothing here. We got probably between 8 and 10 inches of snow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But the nice thing is, when I was out shoveling, when you have a neighbor that has a four-wheeler and a plow on it, he makes it nice and easy for you. Now I just threw some salt because they're calling for some mix of rain and ice later, so I threw a bunch of salt down. But you can see out front, it's an absolute mess. But thankfully, I don't have to go anywhere today. And I can just relax, watch movies, watch ridiculousness, Rob Dyrdek. What's up, Bugger? Harley, you gotta make a mess again, man. You got your dog food everywhere. But I just want to share you guys, when you're on the East Coast, you get these crazy storms. Now, they were only calling between 2 and 4 inches, and we ended up with 8 to 10. You got your ball? You get your ball, Coda? Huh? You gonna get it? You guys pull blankets everywhere, I swear. You can't keep blankets on the chairs or couches at all with these dogs. Oh, this is what Buggy likes to do. You gonna get T-Rex? Get T-Rex. Here, get T-Rex. Wait for it. Oh, no, T-Rex. Oh, who wants T-Rex? You're gonna carry a bug. The thing is as big as you. Yeah. Crazy dogs. But little vlog for your day. Show you what's going on. Right, Harley? Harley, sit. Good boy. You give me paw? Come on. Come on, buddy. Paw? You're not going to give me paw on camera. How about you, Coda? Alright, well, at least you sat for me, buddy. But alright, guys. Share you all this snow we got. This crap. Some of you like it. Some of you in the warmer weather like Cali and Florida, enjoy that. We get stuck with this stuff right here. All right, guys, your boy Rob. You have a great weekend. See ya.